good to see you again. Today we will prepare an ingredient widely used in baking for cakes, cookies, and many other desserts. We are going to prepare icing sugar, confection sugar, or 10x sugar. That depends on what they call it in your country. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Le dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. Here I have an example of a package that they sell here in my country. They come as well as large packaging, small packaging, or in boxes. This is a confection sugar, icing sugar, or 10x sugar. Also, many people have asked me how to prepare icing sugar. Today, you will know how to prepare icing sugar. But before telling you how it's prepared, remember to subscribe to this channel called Ladymaria51. Very important, once you press the button, you will get a little bell next to it. That bell, you will activate it. And it is so that you will receive notification when I upload a new video and be the first to see it. Also, you must share this video with your friend. Why? Because this way you can help them so that when they need to know how to prepare icing sugar, they also know it. Remember, we are a family. So now we go to the ingredients. The ingredients that you will need are ingredients that you generally have in your house. You will only need 2 ingredients. The ingredients are 1 cup of granulated sugar, which is equal to 8 ounces, which is equal to 226 grams. The granulated sugar that you will use is generally the one you use to sweeten the coffee, the juice, and other desserts. The other ingredient is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, which is equal to 7 grams. Here in my country, they sell it like this, in these little boxes. It is crucial when using the teaspoon are the measuring teaspoon. It's not the spoon you have in your house. They are a specialized teaspoon in baking, just as you see. They come in different colors and they come in metal or plastic. You must use this measuring spoon because this spoon makes the recipe exact. So you saw how easy it is. There are only 2 ingredients. It is essential to remember that you will use a teaspoon of cornstarch for each cup of granulated sugar. If you need more quantity, then what you will do is that you will double the recipe. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to use a blender. We are going to add the ingredients here. We add the granulated sugar. We add the cornstarch. And now we cover it. And before turning it on, we are going to turn it on at maximum speed for about 1 or 2 minutes. And why this? Because we want the sugar and the cornstarch to be pulverized. So let's turn it on. Now we turn it off because what we're going to do is with a spatula like this one, and we're going to mix a little bit like this so that if there are still grains of sugar, it mixes well. Now we cover it again and turn it on. Already the sugar and the cornstarch are pulverized. Let's see. Look, see how the sugar powder comes out and the cornstarch. So it's fully pulverized now. Now what we're going to do is go to the next step. We already pulverized the granulated sugar with the cornstarch. If you open the blender and see that there is still a grain of sugar left, what you will do is cover it again and turn it on for a little additional time until it is pulverized. Now what we're going to do is that we already have our sugar here. See? Now we are going to sift. We are going to put it here, pass it through a strainer in this container, and move it like this. What is for? So that our confection sugar is clean without any granule. It is important that all the containers and the blender must be dry before adding any ingredients. And here we have our icing sugar. See? It was easy and a quick preparation. In my channel there are many tutorials as well as this one, practical and much needed in baking. Also check my other channel called Ortega Family, where I share videos about vlogs and more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and activate the bell. See you in the next video.